What's up, guys? Are you looking for the best electric pressure washers in your budget? Today's video is on the top 5 best electric pressure washers in 2024. Through extensive research and testing, I've put together a list of options that'll meet the needs of different types of buyers. So whether it's price, quality, performance, or its particular use, we've got you covered. For more information on products, I've included links in the description box down below, which are updated for the best prices. Like the video, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Okay, now let's get started. The fifth product on our list is the SIMPSON Cleaning PS3 on 228 PowerShot 3D 300 SI gas pressure washer. Although we don't have hands-on experience with this exact model, Roy Berenson did run a very similar version, the SIMPSON MegaShot MSH 3 of 125 pressure washer, through a rigorous testing process, and was seriously impressed with the brand's combination of quality and power. A Honda engine is essential for any high-quality gas-powered pressure washer, and this model's GX200 engine has enough power to generate 300 psi and 2.5 GPM. This engine also automatically shuts down if the oil level gets too low, preventing serious damage, and also comes with a 3-year warranty. The non-marring hose is abrasion-resistant, which helps extend its lifespan, but we did find SIMPSON hoses to be especially stiff and take some time to break in. Up next in the fourth place is the Sunjoe SPX 3000 XT1 XTREAM 13 amp electric high-pressure washer. Light-duty washing doesn't get much more inexpensive or portable than this compact pressure washer. For your money, you get a foaming soap dispenser and 2 cleaning brushes, one for general use and the other designed to clean automotive wheels. Plus, you get a full set of 4 nozzles with user-friendly, quick connect capability. The machine's ergonomics are also solid. The hose outlets, on-off switch, and carrying handle are well-shaped and located to make this little machine easy to use. But it tips over easily on grass or other uneven surfaces due to its small wheels and vertical configuration, so it's best confined to working on pavement. We worked the SPX 3000 harder than a homeowner probably would and found its cord and GFCI were quite warm when we were done. There's only so much these small machines can withstand when you run them relentlessly on a summer day, with temperatures hovering between 80 and 90 degrees. The third product on our list is the Greenworks 3000 psi 1.1 GPM TruBrushless electric pressure washer. For those who prefer not to handle the heaviness and upkeep associated with a gas pressure washer, we recommend this electric model from Greenworks. For one of our testing sessions, we used this pressure washer to tackle a wooden deck that hadn't been thoroughly cleaned in 3 years. We're talking thick dirt, grime, and fallen leaves and garden debris. Less than 20 minutes later, our deck looked great. We were highly impressed with how quickly and easily this pressure washer blasted away the grunge. However, it's worth noting that we first used the highest pressure nozzle, which was so powerful that it actually slightly damaged the wood. Once we switched to a lower pressure nozzle, it was all smooth sailing. Electric pressure washers like this one are ideal for the typical around-the-house cleaning projects undertaken by the average DIYer, such as hosing down a grungy driveway, cleaning outdoor furniture, or even getting the exterior of your home ready to paint. We also tested the pressure washer on our driveway. We liked the 35-foot power cord and 25-foot water hose, which together gave us plenty of room to maneuver. This pressure washer comes with 5 nozzles soap dispensing, 15 degree, 25 degree, 40 degree, and turbo. While all of them performed well, we found that the extra cleaning power of the turbo nozzle made the biggest difference in removing grunge and stains from the pavement. There's an onboard soap tank, which comes in handy for projects like washing cars or boats. With a maximum of 3000 psi of water pressure at a top flow of 2.0 GPM. This is a powerful tool that's able to handle even tough cleaning projects around your property or business. Thanks to its 2 back wheels, it's also easy to move around, and once you finish cleaning, it stores vertically for less foot space. Second on our list is the Generac 17800 and 2900 psi gas-powered Speedwash pressure washer. Most professionals still stand by gas pressure washers because of their grime-fighting abilities. Exhibit A. This 900 psi Speedwash from Generac. If you're looking to blast oil stains from the driveway or remove stubborn tree sap from the patio, it won't let you down. It offers twin 900 psi and 2.4 GPM, placing it among the most powerful machines we tested, though it's also on the higher end, price-wise. Weighing 57 pounds, the Generac takes some muscle to move around, but we found that the heaviness of the machine is balanced out by some nice ergonomics, including a cushioned grip and an easy-to-pull trigger, which should cut down on hand cramps. The extra long 25-foot hose extends the reach of the machine. However, it does not contain an onboard detergent tank. Finally, the top product on our list is the Westinghouse WPX 3D200 gas pressure washer. If you're looking for a capable pressure washer ready to tackle any job, the Westinghouse WPX 3D200 is the one for you. Although bulky in appearance, this machine is surprisingly easy to move around thanks to its large, quality wheels. It also features convenient built-in storage for its 25-foot hose. But it's the WPX 3D200's cleaning power that really shines. Our testers' first reaction when firing it up remained consistent throughout the test. This machine is a beast. No job was too demanding for this pressure washer during our tests. Despite the amazing cleaning prowess, the Westinghouse WPX 3D200 has a few downsides. It's heavy, large, and our testers note, the gas engine is loud. The engine also comes with fumes, smoke, potential oil leaks, and maintenance. An electric pressure washer would relieve you of many of these headaches, but they just aren't as powerful. All in all, this machine is one of the best washers out there, scouring circles around the competition. For example, the Generac 8874 we tested next to it is louder, more expensive, and less effective at cleaning. From tough jobs to quick, light-duty rinses, we recommend the Westinghouse WPX 3D200. If you found this video helpful, give it a like and check out the description for links to updated pricing for products mentioned in the video. Until next time.